Hey Kipsters, it is time for CGI. I hope you had a great long weekend and you are ready to jump right in and do some awesome math with me. Make sure that you have a paper and pencil out so you're ready to do math as always. Today we're going to start with a really cool problem about our principal, Ms. Catlett. Are you ready for that? If you're ready, say, oh yeah. Nice, I know you're ready. So Ms. Catlett was cleaning up her house over the weekend. She's looking at all her school supplies and she realized that she had 26 markers in her house. And she wanted to take those markers and put them into baggies to organize them. And she wanted to put 6 markers inside each baggie. And what Miss Catlett wants to know is how many baggies is she going to need to hold all her markers? You ready to help me figure that out? Awesome. Let's read the problem 2 times and then get ready to solve. Here we go, kiddos. Miss Catlett has 26 markers. She wants to put 6 markers in each bag. How many bags will she need? This time I really want to hear you read it with me, okay? Let me hear you. Miss Catlett has 26 markers. She wants to put 6 markers in each bag. How many bags will she need? Okay, it's your turn to tell it to me. I'm going to cover it back up. Tell it to me in your own words. All right, my friends, let's hear it. Awesome job, you guys. So before you get started solving, I have a question for you. Do you think that Miss Catlett will need more or less than 26 bags to hold her markers? Do you think that Miss Catlett will need more or less than 26 bags to hold her markers? Get ready to show me in 3, 2, 1, show. Okay, some of us are saying that she's going to need more than 26 bags. Some of us are saying that she's going to need less. It's your turn to solve on your own. I'm going to uncover this problem. Get the timer ready. You'll have 4 minutes. You need your paper and pencil out so you can draw and show me your thinking. Make sure you label all the parts of your drawing and write a number sentence that you think matches your work to help me solve. Let me uncover this for you. And then, my friends, you know the deal. 4 minutes. Go ahead and get started. I already see neat and organized work. Keep it up, Kipsters. Don't forget to label all the parts of your problem. Don't forget a number sentence, Kipsters. Keep it up, guys. Great work. Just about 1 minute left until it's your turn to help me out. Almost time to help me out. Can't wait. All right, my friends, it is time to go over this problem about Ms. Catlett and all her markers. I can't wait for you to help me out. I'm going to show you how to do this with my cubes, and then we're going to draw it on the paper. For this type of problem, we're actually only going to do one strategy. We're just going to make sure we really understand it. Give me a big thumbs up if you are ready to get going. Awesome. Okay, so it says Ms. Catlett has 26 markers, and she wants to put those markers into bags. So my first step is that I'm just going to get out 26 cubes to show that those are the 26 markers. So let's start there. So we have 10, 20, oops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here are my 26. That represents the 26 markers that Ms. Catlett has. And now she wants to put 6 markers in each bag. So I'm going to imagine that she has bags in front of her. And in one bag, she's going to put 6. In another bag, she's going to put 6. And I have to see how many bags she needs to hold all of her markers. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 6 cubes and put them together and make that like a bag of markers. Let's do that. Let's see how many bags we're going to need. So I know that this is 6 because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. Here's one baggie of markers. Here are my other 10. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's another baggie of markers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's make sure that's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that's another baggie of markers. So far we have 1 baggie, 2 baggie, 3 baggies of markers. Let's keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's another baggie of 6. So I have 4 baggies that each have 6 markers in them, but I have 2 cubes left. And these represent 2 of her markers. Do you think that Ms. Catlett's just going to throw these markers away because they don't have a baggie to go into right now? Do you think she's going to throw them away? Me either. I don't think she would waste them. So even though I don't have another 6 markers, I am going to put these in their own baggie because she doesn't want to put them in another baggie. She said only 6. So they're going to need their own baggie. I'm not going to throw them away. I'm just going to put them in their own baggie. So she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 baggies of markers. All right, cool. Let's see how to draw that on our paper. All right, so I'm going to draw circles to represent each bag, and then inside those circles, I'm going to show how many markers went in it. So let's start that. So here's a baggie, and I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 markers inside a baggie. Make sure your drawing matches mine, okay? All right, let's keep going. Then we had a second bag. So I'm going to put these down to show I do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 2 of my baggies of markers. Still have a couple more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's my third baggie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's my fourth baggie. And then this is my baggie that has 2 markers in it. Remember, she's not going to throw them away. She's still going to put them in a baggie, but they're just going to have 2 in there. So now I'm going to draw another baggie. 1, 2. Okay, cool. I'm going to make sure that as I go, I get to 26. So let me just count again and make sure that all of my markers or my tallies add up to 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to keep counting as I go to make sure I get to 26. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Good. What that shows me is my marks that I made to represent my markers do get to 26, so I didn't make a counting mistake. Okay. So she needs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 baggies. So let me write that. Ms. Catlett needs 5 bags. And then I want to write a number sentence too. And this one's a little tricky because this is interesting. It's different than what I would normally do. I didn't subtract anything from a total. What I did was I added up groups till I got to my total. So I'm going to show what I added. So here was 6. And then I added 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 what? 2. You're right. Equals, what was my total? Yell it out. Good job. 26. Awesome. So, we know that she needed 5 baggies to hold all her markers. She wanted to put 6 in each bag, but she got left with some extra, so she put them in their own bag. She's not going to throw those away. That would be silly. So now they needed their own baggie. Okay, kiddos, it is your turn to solve your own problem. Really think about what we did here. We started with our total, and we made those groups to show putting them into groups. And that way we were able to see how many bags we needed in the end. Let's see what your problem is for today. All right, let's see it. Ooh, it's about Ms. Smith, okay. Ms. Smith had 61 apple slices. She wants to put 10 on each plate. How many plates does she need? It's pretty similar to our last problem. Ms. Smith has a bunch of apple slices, and she wants to put them on plates. She wants to put 10 on each plate. I wonder how many plates she's going to need. And remember, if Ms. Smith has some extra apple slices where there's more than 10 for each group, she's going to throw those apple slices away? I don't think Ms. Smith would do that. So really think about what you're going to need to do if there are any extra apple slices that don't fit in a group of 10. All right, kiddos, pause it right here, copy this down, send your pictures of your work to me or to your teacher. I can't wait to see what great work you do, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, Kipsters. Great job.